Every morning, you spend 2 minutes using one of the most evolved tools in human history. But before it was a sleek, vibrating gadget connected to your phone, it was a piece of wood. Today, we are deconstructing the 5,000-year evolution of how we clean our teeth. From ancient chew sticks to the high-tech smart brushes of 2026, this is the hidden timeline of the toothbrush. Our journey begins in 3500 BC. Ancient Egyptians and Babylonians didn't have plastic. They had the Miwak tree. They used chew sticks, twigs with frayed, brush-like ends. It was simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. For nearly 3,000 years, this was the gold standard of oral hygiene. The first true bristled toothbrush appeared in China in 1498. The design? A bone or bamboo handle with coarse hair from the back of a Siberian hog. Imagine brushing with that today. Fast forward to 1780. An Englishman named William Addis was in prison when he had an idea. He bored holes into a piece of cattle bone and tied tufts of cowtail hair through them. This became the first mass-produced toothbrush, moving us from handcrafted twigs to industrial manufacturing. In 1857, the first U.S. patent was filed, but the real game-changer happened in 1938. DuPont introduced nylon bristles, no more animal hair. This was the miracle tufts era. Nylon was hygienic, durable, and allowed for different colors. This is the moment the toothbrush became the object we recognize in our bathrooms today. By 1954, we wanted more power. Squibb introduced the Broxident, the first functional electric toothbrush. It promised automated cleaning and thousands of strokes per minute. From here, the evolution accelerated. We went from corded power to charging bases, and eventually, oscillating heads that could clean better than any human hand. Today, we live in the era of smart brushes, equipped with pressure sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and AI-driven analytics. Your toothbrush now tells your smartphone exactly where you missed a spot. We've come a long way from chewing on twigs, from survival to science. The evolution of the toothbrush proves that even the smallest tools can have a massive impact on human progress. What should we deconstruct next? Let us know in the comments. This is How It Became. Subscribe for more timelines of genius.